Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message with balloon effect. So if you want to send message with balloon effect on iPhone, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your messaging app on your phone. Then after that, just navigate to any messaging option that you want to use. So if you want to use normal direct text or you want to use the iMessage, but it is more preferable to use the iMessage option. So you have to click on the person that has the iMessage enabled on his or her phone. After that, just input the message. Just input the message you want to add a balloon onto. So I'm just going to send, okay, congrats. Okay, good. So I want to add balloon effect to this message. So I'm just going to now click on this, then tap on the screen. So then I'll have to slide to the left a little bit till I find the balloon effect. This is spotlight, but we want balloon. So just drag to the, you can see this is the balloon effect. You can say send with balloons. So I'm just going to tap on the arrow up button right in front of the message gesture. Just tap on the up button, and this will send message to you, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, hit the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.